Now here the question is, a ship is fitted with 3 engines, E1, E2 and E3. The engines function independently of each other with probabilities 1/2, 1/4 and 1/4. Now for ship to be operational, at least 2 of the engines must function. Let X denote the event that ship is operational and X1, X2 and X3 denote respectively the events that engines E1, E2 and E3 are functioning. Then which of the following is or are true? Now we are given that probability of X1 is 1/2, probability of X2 is 1/4 and probability of X3 is also 1/4. Now X is the event that ship is operational. Now ship is going to be operational if at least 2 of the engines are functioning. So it could be either X1, X2 but not X3, or X1, X3 but not X2, or X2, X3 but not X1, or all 3 of them they are functioning, X1, X2 and X3. Now first we'll calculate the probability that this ship is operational. Now this probability will be 1/2 into 1/4 into 3/4 plus 1/2 into 1/4 into 3/4 plus 1/4 into 1/4 into 1/2 and plus 1/2 into 1/4 into 1/4. Now this probability will be 6 into 8 divided by 32, which is 1/4. Now for the first one we have to find this conditional probability that X1 is not operational given that ship is operational. Now this is probability of X1C intersection X divided by probability of X. Now if ship 1 is not operational, it is only this third case. Now in this case, this probability is 1/32 divided by probability of X, which is 1/4. Now this probability will be simply 1/8. So that means this option A, it is incorrect. Now this option B is probability exactly 2 engines of the ship are functioning provided it is running. So probability of say E by X. Now will be probability of A intersection X upon probability of X. Now if 2 of them they are running, so it will be this probability for these 3 cases, which is 7/32 upon 8/32. So this probability will be simply 7/8. That means this option B is correct. Now C is probability that X if X2. So this is probability of X intersection X2 upon probability of X2. If X2 is running and ship is operational, it will be this first case, third case and fourth case, which is 5/32 divided by probability of X2, and probability of X2 is 1/4. So it will be simply 5/8. So that means this option C, it is incorrect. And then we look at this fourth case, which is probability of X by X1. So it will be this probability of X intersection X1 upon probability of X1. Now if X1 is running, it will be this first case, second case and third case. So it will be this 6 plus 1 7. So it will be 7/32 upon probability of X1, which is 1/2. So this probability will be 7/16. That means this option D is also correct. So the correct options are B and D.